In the fast-paced rhythm of contemporary living, maintaining a health-conscious lifestyle is a paramount pursuit. A key aspect of achieving this goal involves embracing a balanced and nutritious diet, and one effective strategy to ensure a diverse and wholesome intake is through the creation of a personalized salad bar at home. This video endeavors to unravel the nuances of crafting a nourishing and delightful salad bar, a culinary endeavor that not only satiates the taste buds but also fuels the body with essential vitamins and minerals. Choose fresh and vibrant ingredients. The foundation of any exceptional salad bar lies in the selection of fresh, vibrant, and nutrient-dense ingredients. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula provide a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Enhance the visual appeal and nutritional value by incorporating an array of colorful vegetables like cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots. Freshness not only elevates the flavor profile but also ensures a higher concentration of vital nutrients. Include a variety of proteins. To transform your salad from a mere side dish to a satisfying and balanced meal, introduce a diverse range of proteins. Options such as grilled chicken, tofu, chickpeas, and quinoa provide not only a textural contrast but also essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and overall well-being. Embrace healthy fats. Healthy fats are an integral component of a balanced diet and can be seamlessly integrated into your salad bar. Avocado slices, nuts, and seeds contribute not only to the taste but also provide essential omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and enhancing satiety. Dressings matter. Elevate your salad experience with flavorful homemade dressings. Experiment with a base of olive oil and balsamic vinegar, enhancing it with lemon juice, honey, or Dijon mustard. Infuse your dressings with a medley of herbs and spices to add depth and complexity without compromising on health. Add whole grains. Boost the nutritional density of your salad by incorporating whole grains. Quinoa, bulgur, or brown rice not only introduce a delightful chewiness but also contribute dietary fiber, supporting digestive health and providing a sustained release of energy. Mindful portion control. A key aspect of building a wholesome salad is practicing mindful portion control. Strive for a balanced combination of ingredients that not only nourishes your body but leaves you feeling satisfied, not overly full. Make it appealing. Capitalize on the visual appeal of your salad bar by arranging ingredients in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Explore a diverse range of shapes, colors, and textures to create a visually enticing display. Enhancing the presentation not only makes the meal more enjoyable but can also encourage adherence to healthier eating habits. In conclusion, the journey of creating a wholesome salad bar at home is both a culinary and wellness adventure. By incorporating a diverse range of fresh ingredients, proteins, healthy fats, and embracing mindful portion control, you can curate salads that are not only nutritionally robust but also a joy to savor. Embark on this culinary exploration, celebrating the flavors of health and the satisfaction of nourishing your body. Here's to a healthier, happier you, one salad at a time.